Hey, Jacob here with a tutorial on the vertical takeoff and landing using the AMRAAM missile air-to-air medium-range combat in this full jet simulator for the vertical takeoff and landing and the attack fighter 26B. Description will be right here as far as the aircraft are concerned. As far as the tutorial here, it'll be quick. You'll see how I set up, how I take off. The first run through is me flying the fighter jet, getting shot down. Second is going to be launching off the aircraft carrier, some information you want to know on that, and then setting up the radar to go ahead and fire weapons, your AMRAAM specifically. And then post your comments down below. Let me know what questions you have, what you've been struggling with on this one. I know this video needs to be out there because a lot of people are posting in forums, but there's nothing really on YouTube to explain how to get through the process of getting this vehicle off the ground. It's still in a beta testing, early stages of the game, so very, very new, more to come, different missions being added all the time. Currently, I'm working on 2 and 3, mission 2 and 3. Mission 2 is where you're fighting alongside other jets. Mission 3 is where you're refueling with the plane that circles the island. So I hope you enjoy, and as always, please like, subscribe, and join my tribe. Thanks.
Going up to 3,000 feet. This is your radar. Man. Plus actually lets you see more, because I can see parts to the right. If I go down, it's still closer. Okay.
Missile launch.
There's a lot of them over here.
Missile launch.
Oh, that's my guy. Shit.
Missile launch.
Just hit my own guy. No. Suck. That sucks. Missed him. fight and stall here as always. Got him. Now we're going to go around this side, the outside of the island. Or the west to the north. Here there will be some tanks, some rockets, and a tower here that I'll have to take out. Oh shit.
Missile launch.
AMG, and I got one more AMRAAM AGM, and let's target some of these guys. Oh, here we go. Missile. Where's that coming from? Ah! Son of a bitch. They got a wing. Let's see, what did that do? Oh, I still have all my shit. Yes, I'm gonna take that thing out right there. Take you out. Yeah. Now those aircraft carriers are going to launch a missile. This guy is going to launch a missile. Yep, there it is. Let's get under here. And do the missiles. Into that mountainside. Two missiles coming. Whew. First set of missions with the jet, 2 versus 2 air combat. I finished that up. And the difficult mission, variety of hostile targets. I crashed on the deck of the carrier. I want to show you what aerial field practice is all about. So in aerial refuel, you just